Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to care for dyed hair. First, always use sulfate-free shampoo and conditioner. These products are much gentler and help preserve your vibrant color. When washing, opt for cool or lukewarm water instead of hot, as this helps seal the hair cuticle and lock in your dye. Try to limit washing your hair to just 2 or 3 times per week to extend your color's life. Hydration is absolutely crucial for maintaining healthy, dyed hair. Make sure to incorporate a deep conditioning treatment into your routine at least once a week. This provides intense moisture and helps repair any damage. Additionally, a good leave-in conditioner applied daily can offer continuous protection and hydration, keeping your hair soft and shiny. Always select products specifically designed for color-treated hair. Heat can be a major enemy to your hair color. Before using any hot tools like flat irons or curling wands, always apply a high-quality heat protectant spray. This creates a barrier, shielding your strands from damage. Also, try to reduce the temperature settings on your tools. Whenever you can, let your hair air dry naturally to minimize heat exposure and keep your color looking fresh. To keep your color vibrant between salon appointments, consider using color depositing masks. These can refresh your shade and add shine. Don't forget about sun protection. UV rays can fade your color, so use UV protective products or wear a hat outdoors. Finally, schedule regular touch-ups, typically every 4 to 6 weeks, to maintain your desired look and keep your hair looking its best.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.